we're gonna turn on the mission control hub, and we're gonna go on, what was it called? First flight. We're gonna go on first flight. Woohoo! Drop on the wood. Whip again. Here, right. Woo! Nice. Guys, Australia's bike park is such a fun park. It's so good. Woohoo! Let's go. We're gonna come down here. Let me talk to you about first flight, how it is right now. So, it's like a super fun trail. It's kind of like Firestarter, but you go way faster. And I think it's all downhill. I think there's no downhill.
Vanessa, go.
Woo! So we're gonna go here on mission control hub, and there we're gonna find out with Kitty Hawk and mission control. Let me think of others. Also, first flight, which is the one that we're gonna go in, and another one that I kind of forgot what it was called. The mission control hub has a lot of cool trails. All of them are super fun. Last time we did Kitty Hawk, and it was good, but the worst thing is that somewhere it was like super loose, but it was super fun. Okay, woo! First flight. These are some super fun jumps and everything. And you can roll everything, so super good. ¿Viste eso? Salté al berm. Here, it's downhill trail, like everything is downhill. There's some really cool berms right here. Berm. Here, I like to jump that one. Fun. Jump that one too. This is a super fun trail. Like actually, it's not paved like Firestarter, but it's still really smooth. There's some parts that are kind of paved, so you can go in the middle. Whoa! Damn! Samantha, you just whipped! Damn! Samantha just did a huge whip! Let's go, guys! Woohoo! You got some really good speed in here. Woo! Let's go, bro! Samantha just did a huge whip, bro! That was insane! Samantha, you're insane! What is wrong with you? Samantha, you just whipped! You just whipped, Samantha! Still, you whipped! Ooh, there's gonna be another big berm, so you gotta slow down on this one. Super fun still though. So there's some good berms over here. You can jump some of them if you want. Woohoo! Let's go! I still cannot believe that Samantha just whipped that. That was like insane. Woohoo! Okay.